Dorbar Shnong Mawtnum Ri Bhoi District mynta sngi tarik Rymphang. Keladap da jingkmen bat sngewnguh iaka Ophis u Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi District, kumjuh iaka Ophis u Block Development Officer Umling C&RD Block, khamtam ya u Raja Brahma u MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner, bat u Project Director Drda, kibala bay jinglut ban shna iaka Footpath lyngba skim MGNREGA. Yakni ka Footpath la Plie Paidbah da u Raja Brahma MCS kongsan ha ka jingedan lang uba Dr Camailang rangpa Shnong Mawtnum u Dr Camailang Nongmalieh Secretary Shnong temen basan makdo mat ki Paidbah ka ni ka Shnong ha ka jingkran ha ka ni ka sngi u Raja Brahma ulaya ro ya ka Dorbar Shnong Mawtnum kabala pentri hok bat pendep ya ka ni ka skim kabala penmang da ka sorkar ula kular ban aishu ki wei pat ki jingtre ha ki ni ki sngi bandang wan. Hakani ka sngi u kongsan ula samru iki sembai shakinong rep kani ka Shnong ban penslureki ban penhe ekarap karyang na ka banta ki jingmentoy kilong yeng long sem jongki.
So an odd ngani kong ana kublishi point chairman of the VC secretary ng Kitambora executive members ng Dorbar so the kongsan patinga na ribbon te na semua dulu ngapain khamtam dan Shillong ya itu mau for development. Thank you for all the best. Banyak? Kita gadang up nomination to keep someone.
Nah, biang enough.
Last time the shna tu tu terus ni sampai complain. Te ngapa yang sini sa lolong kum alai sin wa te ko depen tas ni long lai kristen jongaru nga pakat wa cukat yang su adven mun lengda tahu ni sit tamba ngastrat melong wa khamtam dari chairman ro punya program tas si pendo orang ko te romas nang si khobi babok ma wan te ong sar ngin len khamtam ta ki den pot te long le mustap te ki den pot ba ya no wan he don't know young man no joni young old he is a very young man another one joined boy another 2014 nga same energy 18-19 tu nga punto same energy mentar same energy kata age do ni tarai go long when I will reach his age tarai ngi lalong pundo powder mo mo sini te dang sum white sulit te thank you for everything like you are there with us the team jong ka VEC wa kum trekam pos no jingwan sini kum project director mentas niru mo mde project ba ha ngano tade we project belong kum ni Shillong bon ba project apo Ri Bhoi dong jai mo tamba phi ba ai we mo when caught a project director caught the video office ni one dong rangkat but phi it's a good step to be connect with the officers so te mentas ni ngalawan sini te Unda pi kot yang atong men keren serong pela highway petition ro and yarap ka Solar Street. So this is the connection we should have actually. Ni unda men long we have different type of mechanism of office. Then unda ni kot romastong meeting, ni kot review meeting. Tengba seeing is believing ya. Tekum project director ni lawan hapos nong jongki. Nila tek trekam kumno mola fund jong stong ro pila. This is seeing is believing pi kum trekam pi. Tengi kumba officer ru ni dan taka iu kalong si khat kumba bang goi kamo ni ka Shnong Mawtnum in the good book of officers te kumba block good governance dan ka way ka subject matter ni have le mo ka bora to ka Shnong Mawtnum MG. So this is the good governance, one of the good governance mo people have to trekam pi khat officers and pay along indirect inspection kum project director nga dan ka one inspection the pakhat ni dan more than 500 villages and parallelly yet the scheme more than around 2,000 schemes on yet all the construction of new por like bara more cut by your for me point they community caught into by force or by intention whatever you say I've reached here and find to walk along itnat mo somebody along control along your petition route this is the energy of this Shnong mo led by Roma Shnong this shows that you know the positive energy we yet claim to be. And I feel proud that I'm here today with you. We have like in future also we can come and shibun work project skills. So we can work out I'm very happy that Muntasni will some Sambairu Nero. We have this for solar. Recently the government of Meghalaya has formed a committee headed by the chairman, DC, and we'll be having massive like rooftop solar panel. The individual household, we're targeting like school building and all about government assets and all. But then rooftop will use them, conduct solar panel and to generate power. So this is there from MGNREGA, the renewable energy, even the MCPL will be part of the committee. Having said that thing, altogether it's an executive committee, the VAC, Shhnong, for the developmental front, and I wish all the best for all the team. I can see that the future for the development of Mawtnum is bright, and as a project director, I'm committed to work more together. So I'll try my best to have, to give you a sincere part of the development commission, and I request that even the self-help member also, then natural farming, integrated farming system and all. This is in the pipe chain of the development in Drda for the new project of 2025. Thank you very much.
Komiti juga Shhnong, Shillong kami kat pengedon kena kapor ke semlah. Komisi pun star ke jiplai por ke jompi ngali khot i tenri lah keloi sisa banwan kena step dalam jingkmen ke Shhnong bro koi ba in UIL ke jongka khmat ke trikam jongka BC hapo kena ka Shhnong ke jongi je ngidon sibun ki kam badang hab bantre sa ni kermen Dorbar ke trilang berpi pengilam pendet kam nam takroi to par jongka Shhnong ke hau pengidon ru mata kena ke jingeseng prosenteri kumsi bentah nak bergerak jingeseng lerap nak kaliang ke jongpi mengelala berpendet kena ke suruk ba ni kermen mengisayok kiwegi wak order ba adin menyo pendapat kiwegi kam bangsa je kublai sibun pi Shhnong borok bla plai por gaji bun kam juga jingeseng kublai berangkat berkenika jingya plai por ke jongpi nak banta ki kam Shhnong kam thau te akan ke por nak kaliang ke Dorbar Shhnong min ai kena city hai sar bi in plié ke bangi kena kam nak kaliang ke Shhnong so kublai sibun nak banta ke plai por ke jongpi